In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan receipt data in FreshBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your receipts with the FreshBooks app and upload them to your account so everything stays organized and ready for your books. First, head to your FreshBooks account and sign in to the dashboard. This is your home base, where you can access all your accounting tools. Keep your receipts handy, either as photos on your phone or saved on your computer, because we'll use them in just a moment. Now, an important note about scanning. The actual receipt scanning and data capture happens in the FreshBooks mobile app. That means if you want FreshBooks to read the receipt and pull details like date and total, open the app on your phone and use the built-in camera feature there. Make sure your receipts are flat, well lit, and fully in frame before you snap the photo. Clear images make for more accurate data capture. If you already took photos with your phone's camera, you can still add them through the app, but using the in-app camera usually gives the cleanest results. Back on the web, once you're in your FreshBooks dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click on Expenses. This is where all of your spending records live. It's helpful to keep this area tidy so you can find receipts quickly when tax time comes around or when you're preparing reports. Inside Expenses, switch to the Uploads view. This section is designed for bringing external files like scanned receipts, PDFs, or images into your account. Think of it as your inbox for receipt documents you want to store or match to expenses. Next, click on Upload Documents. You'll see a prompt to select files from your computer. If it's easier, you can usually drag and drop files right into the window. Choose only clear, legible images or PDFs so the details are easy to read later. If you scanned with the FreshBooks app, your receipts will already be captured there. Use this web upload step primarily when you have receipts saved on your computer that you want to keep alongside your expenses. Finally, choose your receipts and confirm the upload. Give it a moment to process and you'll see your documents appear in the upload section. A quick tip: use descriptive file names or keep your receipts grouped by month to make future searches faster. That's it. Use the app to scan for the best data capture, then use the web to manage and upload any saved receipt files. You'll keep everything in one place and make your bookkeeping smoother.